morning, everyone. I'm meteorologist Sam Ryan here in the Fox 21 Weather Center. We do have a tornado warning issued, just put out with the National Weather Service for southeastern Douglas County, and then as well as southwestern Bayfield County. That's the cell right here, just moving out of Superior. Now, this tornado is Doppler indicated for strong rotation. That means it could drop a tornado at any time. Although one has not been spotted yet, it could happen at any time. So if you are in the area, you want to seek shelter immediately, preferably in a basement or a lower room in the building. If you are in a mobile home or in a car, you want to abandon those and seek shelter immediately from the storms. As well as there is another tornado warning issued in Sawyer County, and both of these are set to expire at 10:30 p.m. tonight. Also, we are keeping an eye on some of these severe thunderstorm warnings that are still tracking towards the east. Stay tuned to Fox 21 here. We will be on, and we will be here until midnight tonight tracking these storms as they keep progressing. Again, tornado warning for southeastern Douglas County and southwestern Bayfield County until 10:30 p.m., as well as southeastern Sawyer County until 10:30 p.m. These are moving towards the southeast at 25 miles per hour. Stay safe, everybody. Stay tuned to Fox 21.